First they said there was nobody here. Now when I told her that I'm going to be coming in that area and doing it, all of a sudden there's somebody here. So we're going to make this phone call for Granite State and her husband. I watched the video. They tested the limits a little bit, but definitely nothing worthy of what happened. And the police department is out to lunch as far as the law. They will not respect the First Amendment. And they have an illegal sign up. And they're going to be held accountable because I'm supposed to go in that area to work. That's going to be a problem. See now, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Looks like rain today. New England Truth, my name is Tyrone. How are you, folks? Oh, what do you know? They hung up on me. Yeah, no drop call, just a hang up. So we're calling a Worcester Police Department.
To reach the Media Relations Division, please press 1. To reach the Chief's office, please press 2.
2.
Wait while I transfer your call.
I did for 5 minutes already.
Hello? Chief's office?
Yeah, I think you hung up on me by accident.
Hold on one moment.
Thank you. I'm sorry, who am I speaking with?
Lieutenant Mirtha with the Worcester Police. How you doing?
Mirza? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you for taking my call today. I appreciate it. My name is Tyrone. I am a successful attorney, pro se attorney in a court of law in civil rights matters. I've never lost a case, and I mean that. It's not to express arrogance. It's to show you that I am a committed individual and highly intelligent in what I do. Very passionate. I did watch in the video in reference to a couple individuals who came into your lobby. I just want to let you know that I've been in Massachusetts, I don't know, 20 times. I've walked into every police lobby without anybody saying to me that I cannot walk in that lobby. And I'll be in your lobby to record soon. And if I get arrested, I guarantee you, you will be held accountable. And I don't mean that as a threat. That's not a threat. That's me protecting our Constitution against tyranny. And I hope you can appreciate that even with your current position. Parallel to that, I'm supposed to buy a home and run restaurants in your area. That's what I do for a real, for my real job. That's concerning to me as a citizen if I'm going to come into your area and you guys don't understand the law. And trust me, you're not the first person. A lot of people don't know the law. They want to push back. You actually have a sign up that says that people cannot record in your lobby, correct?
No, we don't have a sign up.
Oh, you took it down?
Yes, the sign's not up.
Oh, you did take it down. Oh, well, that solves a lot of my concerns here then. If you did take down that sign and people can go in and record in the lobby, that kind of takes away my concern. My concern is that I want to hold you guys accountable. I want to put that camera on you. I watched the interaction with those people. The lady was very distant and was not helpful. And then the young lady stepped it up a notch, and then it escalated to where she was calling names, and she ended up getting assaulted during an arrest. I happen to know this person. She's a very passive person, extremely passive, and for something like that to happen to her just doesn't fit. So I hope you can appreciate that, in federal cases too. We talk about 241, 242, or, chapter 14, 42, whatever it is. There's all these issues with deprivation of rights under the color of law and the conspiracy therein. And that was definitely an overarching scenario for that police department when they slammed her on the ground. The first thing they say is, oh, stop resisting. Of course, that gives them the right to beat the crap out of you now. And 9 times out of 10, there's no resistance. That's just a police officer's ability to be aggressive. It's ridiculous.
Well, I don't agree with that. I've been involved in a lot of situations, and that's not true. But,
that is true. I'm a former, hired as a Albany police officer and a volunteer with police departments. Trust me, I can debate that with you all day, sir. From a sociological perspective in our United States of America, you are now, as you can see, I mean, I hope you can appreciate the information that's out there. It's the trend because there's an actual audience for it. The reason is because everybody's had it happen to them at one, not everybody, a lot of people have had it happen to them at one point or time or another. So obviously there's a concern with police officers using their ability behind the badge to deprive people of their basic rights. And that's what we're talking about here, basic rights. So, but you took down the sign. I'm really grateful for that. From a PR standpoint, I think that was the right move also, and a legal standpoint. But I will be in Worcester. And remember my name, Tyrone. You want to come up and shake my hand? Do so. Or if you want to come up and try to arrest me, do so. I would challenge you on both of those, sir. And I have a lot of positive passes and audits where people are shaking my hand, police officers. I met with the major in the New York State Troopers Barracks 2 weeks ago, and the sheriff in the county 3 weeks ago. You know, I've interviewed a lot of people in my lifetime, also registered with the American Press Association. So, you know, this is what I do. I'm a writer, I'm a blogger, I'm a video vlogger, and I'm going to be there, sir. I am going to be there without a doubt. And I will be holding your police officers accountable because, in my opinion, being a multi-unit restaurant manager, it's about accountability from people like lieutenants and above. That's your position, sir.
All right, we'll look forward to meeting you then.
I look forward to it too, sir. You have a good day.
All right, take care.
All right, so it's not a threat. It's just to let them know that I care and that they're wrong. All right, knowing the truth. Time to make another phone call.